Hello friends, you're welcome once again to my channel. I believe you have been following this lesson up right from the first video to the second video, and this is the last. So this is the third and the last. And in this particular video now, we are going to construct the welding machine proper. So we are going to build from the scratch so that you see how it goes. More interestingly, I did the work making use of materials that can be easily accessible, materials that are within reach. Actually, there are machines that are designed for welding machine winding, or welding transformer winding. But these machines could be expensive. They could be unavailable at your locality and all that. So considering this factor, I tried as much as possible to make use of materials that are within reach, that you can access from the comfort of your home, so that you can comfortably and competently do your design from the comfort of your home. So in addition, in this at the end of this video, I'm going to add some bonus. So this bonus is going to be knowledge on possible causes of welding machine faults, that the possible causes of the faults of welding machines, how to troubleshoot these faults, and then solution approaches, like how you can solve these problems and take care of these faults. So you're going to see this at the end of this video. So in case you've not subscribed to the channel, please do good to click on the red bell to subscribe to this channel, and also like this video. So let's get down and construct our welding machine. Thank you. Okay, thank you for following up from the beginning to the end of this lesson. Uh, do good to subscribe to our channel and then like the videos. We'll be getting more interesting videos or more interesting topics from time to time. So thank you once again.